2023 BMW iX xDrive40, a game-changer in electric SUVs. The BMW iX has made a grand entrance in the world of electric SUVs, boasting impressive driving range, high-tech features, and the unmistakable BMW design language. In this review, we'll take a closer look at what makes this vehicle a top contender in the electric SUV segment, and why it's turning heads on the road. The BMW iX sports a futuristic yet bold design that sets it apart from its competitors. The distinctive kidney grille, slim LED headlights, and sharp body lines give it a commanding presence, while the aerodynamic elements enhance its efficiency. The blue accents around the grille and on the side skirts serve as a subtle nod to its electric powertrain, signaling that this is not your typical SUV. Step inside the iX xDrive40 and you'll be greeted by a luxurious, spacious cabin. The minimalist dashboard, high-quality materials, and sleek panoramic sunroof create an airy and comfortable environment. The iX offers ample room for both front and rear passengers, while the generous cargo space ensures practicality for long journeys or daily errands. The iX is powered by dual electric motors, delivering a combined output of 355 horsepower and 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.1 seconds. The 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack ensures a respectable EPA estimated range of 270 miles on a single charge, making it a viable option for long road trips. Additionally, the vehicle's intelligent energy management system and regenerative braking enhance overall efficiency. BMW has packed the iX with cutting-edge technology, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment display. The iDrive8 system is intuitive and user-friendly, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and a host of other functions. The vehicle also supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that the iX stays at the forefront of automotive technology. It comes equipped with an extensive list of safety features, including forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning. BMW's Driving Assistant Professional package is also available, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities for added convenience and peace of mind. It is an outstanding addition to the electric SUV market, combining style, performance, and innovation in a single package. Its striking design, luxurious cabin, and impressive driving range make it a top choice for those looking to embrace electric mobility without compromising on comfort, practicality, or driving pleasure. If you're considering an electric SUV, the iX xDrive40 should undoubtedly be on your list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.